We manufacture the future here at Michelin Tire, and I don't think you can get more into future than a mobile robot. My name's Wayne Pender. I'm the Tech Methods and Reliability Manager here at US 5 in Lexington, South Carolina. We're a passenger tire and light truck division of Michelin.
My name's Ryan Burns. I work in the Reliability and Methods department. We make sure that all the equipment is running at its optimal conditions within the plant.
We've been using predictive tools here for quite some time. You know, we do oil analysis, vibration analysis, infrared, ultrasound.
Getting ahead of equipment failures is important because it affects our production output. If we can predict a failure and we can plan and schedule the work to fix the issue before it becomes an unplanned breakdown, then we're able to increase our output as a company and a tire producer. The central team put out into the network who wants to be the pilot site for Spot. As soon as we found out about this opportunity, we jumped on it.
We were like kids at Christmas when we first got Spot, and we couldn't wait on the training, so we took it out of the box, powered it up, and started walking it around. We went up and got our training, and then Ryan started programming the missions the week we got back.
We started in the TV area, tire verification. I was familiar with that machinery because I started out as a technician in that area. I drove Spot down there with the tablet and took it to the specific pieces of equipment that I knew we currently inspected and areas that we also didn't inspect so that we can get ahead of any failures and we can try and detect anomalies ahead of time. Now we have roughly 7 missions set up scanning about 350 scan points. That's around 700 assets roughly. The training at Boston Dynamics, one of the things that was very valuable was learning about Orbit and how Orbit worked. Orbit is basically like the brain behind what's happening with Spot. Orbit is Spot's software that is on a server here on site that we use to extract all the data and to analyze and sort through and set up all the missions and set them on a schedule and give different users access to it. Inside Orbit, you can see every single motor scan and see how it's performed over time. By being able to see that data, we can see what's normal, and then from there we're able to say, okay, we can set an alarm threshold at this point, so if the temperature of the motor extends beyond that, then it says, okay, we've got a problem, so we know to send a technician out to review it and verify that something's going on, and then we can plan to repair that to reduce our downtime and improve our production. From a technician standpoint, Spot going out and doing these routes eliminates a mundane task that the humans are doing. By Spot finding these anomalies and these issues, it gives the technician more time to go out and plan and schedule how they're going to fix the problem versus going out, identifying, then trying to plan and schedule everything.
The bigger impact of the early findings allow us time to plan these jobs and prepare for them versus an uncontrolled breakdown and a loss of production. We've created 72 work orders to date in the system using Spot.
From the missions that we have set up, Spot's gone out and has detected a few thermal issues with motors that were missing some fans on them. And so we were able to identify that and get that corrected. And then also we've detected 66 air leak work orders in the system where we want to reduce our energy consumption.
We see Spot as the future. Hopefully we have Spots in every North American facility. And a facility the size of US 5, we probably need a whole dog pound or multiple Spots here to actually do what we need to do.
Moving forward with Spot, what we'd like to do is we want to improve on our missions that we've already got with the Boston Dynamics team, have them come in and set up a mission within our boiler house. And then from there, we'd like to continue the deployment process throughout the rest of the factory. You know, Spot is a member of our maintenance team. The future is to have more Spots so that we can improve on our inspections and improve our overall output as a company here at US 5.